Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with AI. Artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing web development, making it accessible to everyone. You can now create a professional-looking website in just a few minutes, not days or weeks. These smart platforms handle much of the heavy lifting, from generating initial designs to writing compelling content. It's an incredibly efficient way to bring your online vision to life quickly and easily. Choosing the right AI website builder is crucial for your success. Look for platforms that offer a comprehensive suite of features, including design templates, content generation, and basic search engine optimization tools. Some popular choices include platforms that boast over 100,000 users, providing robust support and extensive customization options. An intuitive interface will make the process much smoother, especially if you are new to web development. The process of building your AI-powered website is surprisingly straightforward. First, you will provide the AI with a simple prompt detailing your website's purpose and target audience. For example, a portfolio site for a graphic designer. The AI then generates initial designs and content. You can then easily customize every aspect, from color schemes and fonts to images and text, ensuring it perfectly matches your brand. Once your website is designed, the next step is to launch it and ensure it reaches your audience. Connect your custom domain name, which typically takes less than 24 hours to propagate. Implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and engaging. Monitoring site performance through analytics will help you make informed decisions for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.